Okay, so we're on HomeIdea3D and I've created this model and I'm quite happy with it. So I just want to share it now and get some comments from my friends about it. So what I can do is go up to here to the share option, press generate share link, and I get 3 URLs now: an editable copy, a read-only 3D view, and a read-only plan view. So if I pass that URL to my friend, for instance, for example, give that to my friend will get this view, and they will get the plan view of the model I just created the share links for, so they can look at level 1, level 0 if they like. I could also give them the 3D view, that's that URL, and they could look at it like so, and they'll get a full screen 3D view where they can look at the model and move around, have a good old look. They can also go full screen like this down the bottom, which is just another feature. Or if I want them to edit it, I can just give them this top link here and say, there you go, just that's the plan, have fun with it, and send me your changes like this. They can then also share back, for example. That's it really. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. And since you're still here, I'll show you what happens if you share it to someone with an iPhone. So for example, I've shared those URLs to myself, and I'm now opening them in my iPhone, and I'll just open up AirPlay so you can see, and that's portrait, and that's the 3D view full screen, and that is my iPhone. I'm just projecting that onto the monitor so you can see, but if I use 2 thumbs, I can zoom in and out. I can rotate using 1 thumb, and I can pan using 2 thumbs again. I can pan up, I can pan down, I can pan left, and I can pan right, or I can zoom in and rotate around a little bit and have a bit of a look. That's on the iPhone. So as that opens up, that shows me the plan view, and that's what my friend would see if he opened it in his iPhone. So that's not so bad. That's work starting to happen. Once again, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and share.